Welcome back to my channel, Learning Spanish with Words. Today I'm looking at the letter O converted to Spanish. So English words beginning with O converted to Spanish. Get yourself a comfy chair, relax, because here we're going to go. Let's go. Owner, dueño, dueño. Only, solo, solo. Old, viejos, viejos. Outdoors, air libre, air libre. Organic, organicus, organicus. Onions, cebola, cebola. Once, una vez, una vez. Online, línea, línea. Old woman, anciana, anciana. Others, otras, otras. The others, los demás, los demás. Overjoyed, llena de alegría, llena de alegría. Offer, I offer, a fresco, al fresco. On, sobre, sobre. Or encima de, encima de. There are variations, but that is a story for another time. But anything on top of something is either sobre or physically on top of it, encima de. Obstacles, obstaculus, obstaculus. Opposite, enfrente, enfrente. Off, apagado, apagado. Outside or inside, fuera or dentro. Outside is fuera, dentro is inside. So outside or inside is fuera or dentro. Open, abierta or abierto, abierta or abierto. Open-minded, de mente abierta, or for males, de mente abierto. And finally today, own, proprio, proprio. Well, that's it today for English words beginning with O converted to Spanish. Thanks for listening and watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. See you next time.